Thank you for watching this video. In this channel, you and I will be reviewing different cars and learn at the same time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider joining us. If you're a subscriber, please click the like button. Thank you.
Hi everybody, today I'm here in Changan Honor S and I'm going to be reviewing this Honor S 7-seater, and the key looks like this. It comes with a remote key. I can lock and I can unlock, and it even comes with a welcome light. Amazing. This car costs 585,000 pesos SRP, but if you buy it in cash, you can have 35,000 pesos discount. On top of that, you also get the V-Kool if you purchase this in Changan Honor S. Let's start from, and today I'm going to start from the exterior, then we go to the interior and the features. This car is really good if you have low budget but you still want to have a lot of people inside the car. So let's check it out. This is the headlight. It comes with projector lamp and halogen and more halogen. There's park light, projector light, turn signal, the high beam. You even get the fog lamp. And the accent from the headlight continues all the way to the front grille and goes all the way to the next, which makes the car look nice. Some honeycomb style of grille also on top, and you also have some glossy black or gray finish. Going to the right, we have 14-inch alloy wheel that is different from the Changan Honor S Cargo. This one has 14-inch alloy wheels with front disc brake. This car comes with a 1.5 liter petrol engine with 5-speed manual. It can do about 105 horsepower and 145 Newton meters of torque. This is a rear wheel drive. The overall length is 4,450 millimeter. Overall width is 1,685 millimeters, and the height is 1,809 millimeters. The fuel tank capacity is 42 liters. The front suspension is McPherson struts, and the rear is lift springs, disc brake and drum brake. Front wipers are manual, front and rear fog lamps. Side mirrors are manually adjusted but has turn signals integrated or repeaters. And also, what is special about this car is that you have second row dual sliding doors. So the doors will be sliding. There's a pole type antenna on top and some body cladding. And you also have some roof rails. Side mirrors, that's the body color and the repeater. And the side panels have some curves that starts from here all the way to the back until the railing. So it goes all the way here, which is a good attention to design. Down here you have hard plastic that will protect the entire skirt. This car comes with just a remote control key, and you have the keyhole here. Nice. The windows, they all open, they come down like that. This one just opens up this way. This is the rear combination lamp. You have the brake lamps, turn signals, and reflectors. Down here, you have the fog lamp. The backup sensors are located here. And down here, you have silver cladding for more design. Now, this car also comes with a backup camera. Changan logo, the door handle, plate holders, another sensor here. Your reverse light is here. Okay, there's only one reverse light. It says Honor S in gold and red. This car doesn't come with a rear defogger. And this car has V-Kool. You have your top mount brake light here in Changan Honor S, Manila. There's a bit of contour here, it goes inside. The gas cap is here. The roof rail, the pole type of antenna. This is how the roof looks like. The wipers, the nozzles are on top of the hood. Now let's go inside and let me show you the interior. It's a bit dark here, but let me show you the door panel. The door panel has hard plastic, fabric, hard plastic, a bit smooth, and a bit more rough kind of plastics for here. Drivers is automatic, one touch down and up, others are powered. Silver or brushed or metallic silver type of door handle. Everything here else are in plastic. Let's go inside the car, but let me turn on some lights. The seats are manually controlled. Let me get the light. So you have a control lever or latch there, and also here. It has 4-way seat adjustment, which is manual. You find the gas cap release right here. You also find the hood release right here. The steering wheel cannot be adjusted. You have some blanks here. There's a compartment here. Your pedals are all there. Surprisingly, there's headlight leveling adjustment dial, and the vent has chrome accents and also some black glossy finish. This is the start of Changan Honor S 7-seater. Oh, the instrument cluster. Changan. There's Changan animation. Let's see what we can do in the touchscreen. Conformer. There you go. Can you move it? No, it's just navigation. Is there navigation in this car? No nav app. Not sure if it will have. It's like an Android tablet. What is this one? You even get the compass. Alright. The radio. Okay, how can you control this? It's like touch type, which is working really fast though. Oh yeah, it's moving well. And let's go home. Go to video. Do not operate while driving, of course. Okay, nothing's happening. You can probably connect something. Oh, you have apps, widgets, downloads. This is like a nice Android tablet. Thank you. This is how the dashboard looks like. You see that? You have airbag here, also airbag here. The speakers are there on top, also on the other side. This car doesn't have steering wheel buttons, and it's a simple car. You have manual headlights there, and also manual windshield wipers. Keyhole, supposedly a push start button, I guess. The infotainment, your air condition controlled, which is single zone. 12-volt compartment, gear lever or stick, which has 5 speeds. The material is leather down here with metal accent. Handbrake, 2 cup holders. We have our center console with leather in stitching. Let's open that, and that's our center console right there. Let me show you also here. You have a top tray. You can also open this and you will see your glove box. How about the sun visor? Doesn't have, but you have some things here. You can insert something behind. It says Changan. Also, let's check the passenger. Oh, it's also just a sun visor, just a standard room mirror, and your map light with door function. The headliner is in fabric. Guys, it's extremely hot here. Please like and subscribe, please. Thank you. And we have blower for the second row. I will show you the second row now. Let's go to the second row. The Honor S has sliding doors which slide really easily, and you have the step sills which are hard plastic with child lock. The seats are in fabric with white stitching. They're soft and quite comfortable. This is your seat adjustment. The seats cannot be moved forward and backward. The driver and the passenger will need to adjust for the second row passengers. Like that. And I have adjusted the driver's seat to my normal driving position. And this is the amount of space I have. There. And it even goes inside. So I have ample space. If I slouch, it will be like that. But if I sit up straight, I'll have plenty of room here. There you go. This is how the dashboard looks like from the second row. You have 4 air vents. And you have the blower. This is amazing. This is really nice. For its price, oh man. You find this kind of things in Ertiga or XL7. Please watch the video. The video link is in the description below. There's a door lock and unlock, and also the power window, and that's the door handle on the left side. The material is in fabric and hard plastic. This is a bit weird because the cargo variant had leather while this one has fabric. I think they should change it or invert it. Grab handle. We have pouch also here. We have pouch also there. Let's go. So now I'm here on the third row. Now the captain seats, they are reclined too much because my knees are really touching this area right here. I think the seats are supposed to be adjusted a bit, then I won't have any problem. Because even now, I'm kind of stuck here, but because the way the back portion of the seats are made, I can just put in my knees forward. But there's something here, so it hurts. So the person here definitely needs to move. That's how it looks like from the third row. The third row is not a bad place to be. It's the bench type. I think in our standard, you can fit 4 people here. So 4 people here, 2 people here, 2 people there, 2 people there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I lost count, but about 12 people can fit here. But it's illegal, so don't do that. Here's the third row window. You can open and close with this. There's also a speaker here. Okay, is there a speaker there? Yes, there's also a speaker there. Whoa, this car is really solid because you can bring a lot of people with you, and you also have air vents at the back. You even have sliding doors on the left and on the right. Amazing. You should definitely check this out. You can also fold the second row, and you fold it like this. Thank you, Kuya. Wow. Which will give you easier access to go inside. And these are the things you have to pull. So you're pulling the strings, but you're actually pulling this thing. So the third row can also be folded. There are the strings on the left, and also here at the bottom. Wow. And you can also fold it back, and there's also a steel bar for locking because it will not stay there like that. Then you will find your early warning device, your tools, and your jack, and you will have more trunk space. Wow, thank you, Kuya. Thank you. Thank you po. Wow, amazing. You see, with the third row folded, you have a lot of cargo space now. Earlier you only had like 30 centimeters of cargo. Now you have like 1 meter of cargo space. Wow, nice. This is solid, guys. Now, thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope you learned something from this video. I kinda got shocked from this vehicle. If you really cannot afford to buy an Innova or Ertiga or XL7, you can get this one because the price is really cheap, but you get a lot of things that you actually need. including the backup sensor and the huge touchscreen and the backup camera and the V-Kool tint. Thank you for watching. This is Ju from SoJooCars. I will leave the contact details in the description section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.
Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you everybody. May your dreams come true.